Today, we're making a Hawaiian chicken sandwich. I won't even attempt to say this in Hawaiian because I've already pissed off enough people. Sorry, Philadelphia. Didn't mean to. Anyways, it's friggin' delicious. It's amazing. You can see it here. If you want to see how we make it, you got to stick around. All right, to get started, we're gonna have to prep our chicken. This is a chicken breast. This is a really, really thick chicken breast. So we're gonna slice it in half like this to make it thinner. You could pound it flat, but then you get a really, really huge chicken breast, and you don't need that much extra. This happens to be a super thick chicken breast, so I'm actually getting basically 3 slices out of this, two cuts and 3 pieces out of it. They're all about a ½ an inch thick. That should be pretty good for the sandwich. You can cut that big one in half again and make 4. It's perfect. This is a Kikkoman teriyaki sauce. It's a little hard to find. This has sesame seeds and some other things. Super thick. I love this stuff. I think last time I found it at Walmart. And some hoisin. Hoisin is Chinese barbecue sauce. Put some in there as much or as little as you like. I put about a 4-to-1 ratio with the teriyaki sauce. Add your chicken, wash your hands, and then mix this up really, really well. You want to coat the chicken as best you can in your zip top bag that looks like, no pockets. Perfect. Stick it in the fridge for at least several hours, or overnight is even better. Now we're going to cook the chicken on the grill. Cook it hot, and we're going to cook it really good. You don't want rare chicken. You have to cook chicken to a certain point. This isn't rocket surgery. We're just cooking chicken here. But the pineapples, well, now you want those grilled because that's just delicious. Buns, always toast your buns. A little butter on the buns, put them on the grill. Watch your buns or you're going to burn them. Nobody likes to burn their buns. So you want your pineapple to taste super, super yummy. Take some of your leftover marinade and drizzle it on the pineapple. It's okay to reuse the marinade on this because you're cooking it still. If you were just pulling the pineapple out or you were going to put it on there without cooking it, that would be stupid. Don't do that. But if you're cooking it, you can do that safely and reuse the marinade on your pineapple. It does work, but just make sure that you are cooking it. All right. If you want the crosshatch on your buns, you better turn them. And woo, that's a crispy buns. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. All right, pull the buns off. Yep, they look about perfect. I would say that's some nice buns. All right, the pineapple is sticking a little bit because it's pineapple. Oh, it's got beautiful char marks on it, beautiful grill marks. It's softened up and beautiful. We're going to put a little bit of more teriyaki sauce on this side. Again, we're going to flip it over again and cook it some more. So this is okay, even though there was raw chicken in that marinade. And chicken's done when it easily comes up off the grill. If it doesn't come up, it's not ready yet. As long as you keep your grill clean, I mean, you can see this is a spotless grill. I mean, come on. But yeah, any remaining sauce, put it on this side. And again, we're cooking it, so it's okay that we have sauce that had raw chicken in it. You're gonna be fine, don't worry. Now the bacon we had made a little bit earlier, so I'm gonna heat that up on the grill and give it a wonderful smoky grill flavor. This only takes a few seconds, do not go crazy. The cheese is a Swiss cheese. This is a baby Swiss. It's thin, it goes on at the last minute because it will melt down super fast. Of course, I'm editing this, that isn't real time, so don't think that you can just do this in 4 seconds. Realistically, it was like 16 seconds, so I'm kidding, I have no idea. Maybe 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Something that does not take long at all. Don't burn your bacon. Bacon burns really fast on the grill. And your cheese is melted. And your bacon's ready to go. And your chicken is cooked. So we're done here. Let's go inside and make us a sandwich. When it comes to veggies, there really is no right or wrong answer. It's what you like. I have some red onions, some tomatoes, some lettuce. You see the pineapple, the cheese, the bacon, all this stuff represented here. Use whatever you like. or don't use any of it. It's up to you. So let's get to assembling. We have a bun. Here, they are toasted. This one's fairly toasted. That was a little less toasted. We're gonna make some sandwiches here. Okay, it's mayo. I know, mayo. Very Hawaiian. Little mayo on this. Top and bottom, because you want everybody to have every flavor. So there you go. That is the end of our mayo. Don't need that anymore. Ha ha. Okay. Need some onion. Oh, I was gonna have some onion. Now this is red onion because you want it to taste good. Red onion goes on the bottom because that's where it goes. And the tomato. Put a little of this in here. And if you have people that don't like tomato, cut theirs a little thinner. But you're still getting tomato. I don't care. There you go. See, that one's super thin. All right, now we got our chicken here. Oh my goodness. That is some chickeny goodness. That is going down. Now the Swiss, as you saw, we put this on the grill. We melted it in real good. I don't know why the word melted just melted out of my brain. Sorry. Okay. There you go. Bacon. This is bacon I had already made. It got cold. I heated it on the grill. Now it has a wonderful grill flavor. Pineapple. Oh, look at how grilled that pineapple is. That is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And yeah, that was a burp because I don't know if you know this, my barbecue is super hot and it requires a safety beverage. We'll just leave it at that. Okay, so lettuce on the top, protecting that bun, and boom, a Hawaiian chicken sandwich. So, or as the people in Hawaii would say, I don't know what that is. Because that's not Hawaiian. I don't know why we think it is. They don't. Here, we'll do the second sandwich here. And chicken is not, they don't make chickens in round pieces, so it's not always a perfect fit for the bun. Sometimes it hangs off. Oh, gee darn, extra bits. Ooh. Got some lettuce here. Yep, oh wait, no, gotta put it, the right way. Otherwise, it's gonna taste funny. Boom, second chicken sandwich. Oh, there you go. Now, it's time to eat this. I'm going to dig in and show you exactly what this looks like on the inside because it's amazing and delicious. And here you go. Oh, look at how pretty that is. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Come on, look at that. It's amazing. All right, so there you go. That's an easy teriyaki pineapple bacon chicken sandwich, aka the Hawaiian chicken. Don't tell anybody in Hawaii, and if you're from Hawaii again, may I apologize. If I could say it in Hawaiian, I would, but I can't, so I'm not going to do that because I'd only piss you off further. So I apologize. What are you going to do? All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye. I don't speak Hawaiian, and I won't even try because I've already pissed off an offbeat. And I won't even try and pronounce it in Hawaiian. That's what happens when you drink beer before you start filming this. But it was a safety beverage, safety first. All right.